So any question with data structure or array, something like that?
So now I just finished till indicator data structure. I didn't do.
And that
Program
is
status till
that
program till
indicate
program status.
you just come to know that if they are not using 03, 012 likewise, so they will be
Yeah,
using function 3 likewise. They will manipulate the text, whole
yeah.
text.
I have used this. I have used this before when I was working.
Right.
Like F3 for F3, F12, F5 refresh, like that I have used it. So I have,
Okay. So
till
shall
program
we?
status data structure I have done the coding.
Okay. So structure, user profiles and security, you know that. Work user profiles, jobs, log job status, just revise it. So
Okay.
these are for the means whatever the things are coming is 400 security related to creating limitations or to the user for what he can access. So there is public user, likewise particular you are specifying. So DSP user profile, change user profile, edit object authority. So what the user can access it. So whatever the maximum storage allowed. So the user profiles defines following attributes for a particular user class, object owned, authorized, initial programs and menus, current libraries, maximum storage allowed, priority limit, storage group. So it comes likewise. So change user profile. So it's coming maximum storage allowed. So here no max we keep it. Okay.
This will be
So
mainly used in
once
administrative level, right?
these will be like for your stuffs, not daily stuffs. Means if these are for admin guys, but you should
Yeah,
at
that's
least
right.
know.
Yeah, okay. No, I have never used all this. Just know it's change user profile and all it's here.
Right. So no max, none. So likewise it will go on. User class. So user class is security officer, security admin, programmer. So developer will get the programmer. So programmer can't do the security admin or security officers job, system operator jobs. So
Okay.
it will be only restricted to some. So systems access user is permitted, and the 5 class we define the user profiles will be of these 5 types.
Okay.
So object authority, exclude, change, all, use, likewise it will come. Object rights, like the operational rights, object management, object existence, alter the rights, likewise it will come on any kind of object. So it will add, delete, create, update. So once you will go and edit the authority, so change user profile, you will get, if you have seen your profile, so you will get operation management, exist, alter, ref, so everything is selected. So fine. Otherwise it will only operational they can do it, change, and authority change, and all means everything that profile can. Object is add CL and library is this one. Likewise
This
they
for
keep on
specific
that.
object, no? So specific object,
Sorry.
right? This is for
Yes,
specific object,
yes,
right?
on a,
Yeah.
yes, on a specific objects we get it. So this is the user. So what is the how to grant? So only read thing you can grant the permission.
Okay.
This user can't see only the read things, operations of read operations on the files and all those things.
Okay.
Depends on which object you want to, which program you want to. So add CL program, so that here on this object not authorized to change, so they can't edit this user. Once you log in through that user, you can't change the code.
change
You
that
can only
code.
read the
Okay.
code. So you
Okay.
will only get the read object, read only. Likewise, everything's they give it. So this is for security reason. Same way, object lock. So work object lock will object which is been locked. So lock state identifies use of objects whether shared. So exclusive read, allowed read, share for update. So some is shared update. So file has been shared, and in which mode they have the lock is present. So shared up for update, the object can be shared either for update or other job. So that time you know the functionality of chain. So chain will apply lock on the file while you are reading or you
Your
are
voice is
writing or
breaking.
updating any file. I'm telling that chain will automatically will lock. Once you will use
Okay.
the chain into the S400, it will automatically lock. And to unlock that without applying lock, use chain bracket in, right? So that
Yeah.
file will not go into lock condition. So at the same time, everyone is using that file for update, right? Something or delete a record. So that's why we that file into a lock condition. So same
Okay.
record can't be deleted from two
Okay.
of the channels. So that time that record will not be in use you will get. So how they will come work object lock. So you will get in this one shared for update like it will come. You know systems and subsystems and jobs.
Not much. I used to do that debugging job in as a batch only because in my first project it was like that. We need to do the testing by in as a batch job.
IBM is altogether a system. There is subsystems. So what are the subsystems? These are the environment where we execute our different types of tasks.
Mhm. Yep.
Mostly we touch that Q batch and Q inter. Q batch is the
Yep.
batch environment where the batch processing takes place, and Q inter is the interactive programs where user directly interacted. Right. Apart that
Yes.
also there are systems. Those are Q user, communication, Q control, Q spool where Q base, QCTL is controlling, Q spool, Q inter, Q batch, Q communication, Q spool, reader and writer. Likewise, it will come. So what with system status WRKES? So that time C CPU utilization, pool division, then maximum of space they are utilizing, and all the extra data from the systems on the subsystems. So full subsystems detail you will get it. You can create your own subsystems also.
Okay.
SBSD subsystems. You can create a job queue, add job to the job queue entry. You can do it. Create class and add routing entry to that and
What is
start
this class?
subsystems. You can do it.
What is this class?
These are the that priority they give it.
Yeah.
So what kind of attributes they runtime attributes you want to define anything like run priority. So like class will run priority, time slice, time difference, default time, maximum temporary storage. So they take it. So once you will those things user will not do it. These all things comes with
Okay.
the systems only. So they won't be performing these things. But you should know this.
Okay.
Creating a subsystem is allowed to every developer. Okay, pause for 5 to 10 minutes. I will be back.
Yep. Hi.
So, how to show you the subsystems?
Okay.
Still waiting. So see, these are work SVS if you type it. So you can see
Okay.
the subsystem. So here, these are the IBM supplied. Whatever it is coming with hash and queue, it's a IBM supplied. Okay, and QS pool, Q user, Q likewise. So there is one subsystems for 400 also. They have deleted, I think. Right now, it's not here. So these are the subsystems. You can work with the jobs. So any interactive, you can take it. You can go and see the jobs. So it is the same thing. These are the jobs running within the same you
Mm.
get uh, through the work active job. Work active job will give all the subsystems active job. So if you go, here it will be all the jobs within the subsystems. And if you
Okay.
type work active job, you will get this first is subsystems and then job. First, it will give subsystem SPS type, and in subsystem, it is the job. And this is the queue batch. Queue batch we don't have. Then communication we don't have. Controlling we have this much jobs it is running. So first SBS means subsystems. So these are all our subsystems. Then if you page down, so this is SBS QHTTP server. Within that, these jobs are running. So Q enter, this is the interactive one. So likewise, it will go on. So first is the system. This is the overall system. Within that subsystems, and then the jobs will go within which environment they want to place it.
Okay. Mainly we'll be using Q batch and Q inter, right?
Yeah, we deal with that thing, but you should know, means at higher level, you should know these things.
Okay.
We have now coming to FTP is last data queue compiler directives. You know the compiler directives slash copy, likewise different compiler directives you have. So those
I
things
know.
will be implemented. Copy book
Node
slash
by
b
hashing code. Node.
slash and slash free slash, these all are the compiler directives. No? Means it is nothing but the direction of instruction given to that compiler directives instruction sort the compiler to perform some specific task. Slash free means if you give slash free anywhere, it will not accept. Slash directive should come at 7th position only, right? So that time it should know that slash free and end slash free will give you a space where you can write a free code on RPG. Slash title only title, slash eject, slash page, slash copy. So slash copy is the compilers include. So you can include it slash if else, likewise end of file. So these should come with the 7th position onwards, like 7 to 11 position. These are specific there. Now moving ahead, you know screen design. Hello.
Hello.
Am I
Uh,
audible?
yes. That is slash
Okay.
EOF. No. Why we are using that EOF? End of file.
Yes, end of file. Now see, before moving to coding segments, I will go with SCU concept, source entry utility. This is one
Okay.
of the important thing that this thing should be hard, learn by heart, means before you writing the code. These things are the utilities where you will speed up your coding things.
Okay.
So you have to revise the source entry utility for today. So like how the PDM works, program development manager. Here we can edit 2 to 8, 4
Yeah.
to delete, 5 to browse. Right? So you know that number, but
Yes. Yes.
within that into mode, what you can do, how to get the lines. I think you might be aware of these things. How to implement shift F1 sideways, uppercase, lowercase within that shift F1 or
Shift
F13.
F13.
So now shift F1 or F13.
Yeah. F13.
Set half full, half adjusted. Likewise, you can get. But the important thing is this is to write in uppercase or lowercase likewise. This is the one of the program you want to insert a line. So C. So C for copy, single line. CC means CC and CC means you
Block.
will copy
Block.
block.
Block of.
Right. So these things you have to revise it. D for delete, M for RP for
Mm.
repeat, REN. Likewise, you have to do the
Okay.
IPF to get that file things, IPH to get the header, IPF in RPGLE or RPG, IPD, IPI for I specification, IPC, IPO for output, prototype definition. These are for fixed format. Okay. So you will
Okay.
get the syntax, all the things, IPI procedure interface for IPDP for display files, IPPF for physical file, IPLF for logical files. So you will get that syntax within that.
Okay.
So this shortcut key you have to revise. These are shortcuts where you can get everything. So this is to find out. Shift F2 to find what you want to find it. So there you will get that find thing. So at the command line at the top, you can write find, change, set match, set shift, set tab, stop, file, save, hide. Okay. So these are the commands that is applicable.
That set shift and set tab, what is it?
Which one?
Set tabs and set shift.
This I have not used what they are
Yeah,
doing. Set shift.
even I didn't use it. The rest of the things I've used it. That's
I
why.
think it's navigation in that. Come across that. I never did also. Hide I've used. Hide. All those things I have used. Find, hide,
Yeah.
save. Now before moving to CL program, tomorrow we have class, right? So move to a screen design. Okay, so we will go with simple screen design. Okay. So see, if you follow the line by line steps, it is given as a note only. Okay. So CRA to start it, you might have designed the screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes.
How good you are in designing?
I don't know much. I have just using this AS4 go for AS400 site only. I just tried designing recently. Like during my career, that time I didn't never used in the
No,
programming. I
right
didn't never
now
use.
going for sub-file design. We are going for simple record design. Okay. So once you will press steps, okay. I am not asking to design hard level, but at easiest level, I am asking str SDA. So this is the utility where you type it. You will get this screen design. First, you have to not design menu or test display. So use this option one. Okay. Every time for design, it is the same step. str SDA. This is one of the utility. Start screen design
Screen
aid.
designing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So within that option one, and give your source physical file qdds library and member name. Okay,
Okay.
press and after that type one to add any record.
Okay.
Once you will add, you will get these are the types of display file. Okay,
Yeah.
what kind of a screen you can make? Simple
Okay.
record format. Anything they will ask simple record format, so you take the type record. If they want
Okay.
user defined, user defined. Subfile SFL you have to type.
Okay.
SFL message, so SFL message type. Window, so simple, this is the simple windows, same as
Simple.
record, but
Okay.
there will be border. Okay, this
Okay.
functionality will be same as record, but there will be border on that window.
Window.
Window SFL is same as subfile, but border on the subfile. Subfile will be working same concept as subfile, page up, page down, everything, but within a window subfile.
Window.
Like
Okay.
pop-up, pull down, and what is this? PD and SFL. These I have also not used. Menu bar I have used. Menu slicer. Yeah, menu bar slicer. Available. Likewise, menu bar you can use it. So mostly we will be focusing record, window, SFL, SFL.
Okay.
These are the most common that you will be using. See, we generally go for record types: record, SFL, window, and window SFL. Only four is important. Rest is
Yeah.
very higher level.
Okay.
So we select the record and create the header and new record. So you can rename it also header or something like that. So username asterisk user will give you automatic user, asterisk date automatic date, asterisk time automatic time. Okay.
Okay.
Press enter. The design screen looks like this one. So it will automatically take this value from as an input from your system. No need to write the code for these things
Okay.
once you run the program. Now AC is to align to center. If you type AC, so align to center, wherever it is, it will align centrally. Okay. This
Okay.
shift will give you these numbers of lines shifted this side, and if this side, it will shift this side. Now see,
Okay.
it has been shifted to here. In single shift, one space left, one space right. Now asterisk, it will give you options to select the attributes. If you want to select distribute display attributes or color attributes, so you can select both from here.
Okay.
So these are the combination: high, reverse image, cursor, column separator. This is a character of the field. You can see as CS will be like position, at which position of the character field. So if you want to use any column separator in between, so you can use that as a symbol. ND is not display. So once you type the password on AS400 login, so they password things have been used as ND. And if
Yeah.
you want to see as not display,
Okay.
so you can use this indicator on that field.
Okay.
Line on that field, position
Yeah.
cursor on that field, protected field. Likewise, you can give these order.
Yeah. Protected field is we cannot change it like that, right?
Right. Note if you specify UL, underline, high, and reverse attribute for the same field, the field will not displayed. Same while using attribute ND. If you use the same thing, add you using ND, not display. So that will work the same as ND if you specify these three things.
Okay. Underline.
Hi, they ask what is the next opinion for ND. If you are not using non-display, what combination you will get it to? I don't want to
Underline.
use that. Yes, so use high underline and reverse image. So that
This
time you
one.
won't be able to see it.
Okay.
Same way you can select the color blue, red, white like this.
Okay.
So here they have selected reverse image like this. Press F3. So your header has been designed. So one header they have designed.
Okay.
Now you have to design another footer. Footer we keep F3,
Okay.
F5 as we work here. So this is suppose these are the record, simple record things, filter things. These are the header things. Okay. And these are the
Okay.
subfile concept. These are the subfile concept, page up, page down. Again, these are the footer concepts, and these are the simple record where you are performing. So these are the simple record screen. These are the simple
Okay.
record screen with the filtration. These are
Yeah.
the header. These are the header, and these are the footers. So likewise, you have to think and design it. You can design
Okay.
the same screen. You can design the same screen for practice. Work with member. Same
Okay.
whatever they have written. No, you design this one. Same screen. And
Okay.
for timing, take option and page SFL size should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8. SFL size should be 9 and SFL page should be 8. So 8 will be displayed here. Okay. Then again parameters or command. Likewise you can design. I think one guy has designed here. That design is not coming. Somewhere they have designed, but I'm not able to find it. Noise show. So they have written the footer also. So header and footer is ready. Now you have to write that body. So for the body, you have to take another record format. You can you can take that record detail something.
Okay.
So this is the this header is coming from header and footer is coming from footer. So don't think that this is the same screen. So for detail, they have written one another designing one another
Yes.
record
Okay.
format. So there
Record
is
format. So we have three record format, right? Header,
IOB
front.
for input, output, and both.
Okay.
And 369 is for numeric. 3 is
Okay.
for input, 6 is for output, and 9 is for both numeric.
Okay.
Okay, and B is for both. So see, this is important. Plus I for input, O for output, B for both. Right there. Hello.
Yes.
It got muted here. So you have to learn this one. I for input, O for output only, input only capable. You can take input. You can
Okay.
enable any field as input only. No one can, what is that?
Insert.
Get the
Yeah.
output will not. And
Okay.
B for both input output. That field you can write it from here. You can get the output as well. So likewise,
Okay.
in number, if this field is number, so you have to take 3, 6, 9 respectively.
Okay.
Only this much you have to, and shifting and all those things you know, you can shift this way that way. Hidden field you can see from F4. If you take F4, you can see the hidden field. F10 is to refer the database. If you hit F10, you can refer any database.
We're telling what is that? F4?
Full field.
F4 is what?
Hidden, to see hidden field
Hmm.
on this screen. If you want, yes, hidden field, we use hidden field, no? So
Yeah.
if you take F4, so you can see that one.
Oh, is that okay? Okay.
You can't see the hidden field here, but you can see
Yeah.
hidden field by taking F4. For example, this is one of the display file. Okay, I'm just entering within the details. So same thing it is coming. Okay. So you go and type 2. So this is something, header is missing, footer is not. There may be some hidden fields. So take F4 here. You will
Yeah.
see the use of every field. It is for output, it is for input,
Okay.
and then if you want to add some field, you can specify the position, field name, and
Okay.
attribute add h. So they use it like SFL record number, SFL page, sorry, SFL record number page. So likewise, we use that field as a hidden. We don't want to show on a screen.
Green. Yeah.
That field you can take it from here. You can select, you can see, you can delete from here.
Okay.
And likewise, if you go and take F10, okay,
Yeah.
so you will get one database. So in which mode you want to see that database file? Database, suppose account, library, and record format. Select in which
Okay.
mode? Only for display, select input mode, output mode, or both mode.
Okay.
Only for display
So if
data.
we select output mode or both mode, we can write into that specific database file.
You can refer from there. You will get all the fields lying there. Okay, you can refer there.
Okay.
This is for
So
field.
no, select all fields for output. Okay. 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 It's
No,
not
if you don't want
output is not
to, then
mentioned.
you go type 1 here and see the
Uh-huh.
fields. See the fields.
Okay.
Library. So you can see the field. Now you can select which
Yeah.
field you want in. Likewise, you
Okay.
can, if you want to select only one field you need. So select in input, output, likewise.
Okay.
If you don't, there are hundreds of fields, so you don't want to select, so you select that you want to refer. But I don't prefer this concept moreover, because referring the field is a bad idea. We go and create our own design, and doing into that things is a fine. Otherwise, you need to
Okay.
rename the fields again here. After referring, you need to rename it. Length you can get it, rename it. Don't forget to rename,
Okay.
otherwise it cause a lot of troubles.
Okay.
So likewise, there is a footer.
Okay.
So footer, it will come here, and likewise you will get header. The header you can get it likewise. He has made fancy things, but it's likewise only. So here you can get
Okay.
the, and header we don't use, very rare we use that reverse image.
I was missed.
So this is how you are going to make it. If you follow the same output I have shown you, what he has made here.
Yeah.
Next, you can design the this one whole design. I want this design. You try your design. I will correct it if it is wrong. You try to get it. These
Okay.
things will not. This will come only on that program call, but you should get this design done. So here will be one for header. Header you will write work with member. These things, these are dynamic. So these are will be input output
Okay.
input output mode.
So I need to make that this one a display file, right?
Yes, this is for display file. So you have
Okay.
to start from here. SDA one
One.
and QDDS. You have to make it library and take that and display file. Any member name you can write it.
Okay. Okay.
And after that, here one to add.
Add.
So here you have to
Okay.
select a new record. So I will prefer our
Get
DSP 0011, whatever the file you have taken. So use same name, you will get that screen. Here you can write strusser
user.
but I prefer this one. Delete. Here you can't write. Shift
Delete
arrow
is
left
D.
one. D for delete.
Delete is D
You
for
write this
deleted.
side. Asterisk user. Okay. And here this side you can write asterisk date and asterisk time.
Time.
Okay. You
Okay.
can shift a little bit here. One space. If you want to shift this way here, it will come here. If you want
Okay.
to shift here, so you will have to write it till here again. Okay. So
Okay.
CW color change, C for color. So you can change directly, otherwise
Okay.
asterisk
Asterisk. Change
and
the.
go and change the color.
Okay.
At a time you can take only one. Priority will be for the first. Give the number
Okay.
order. And
Okay.
second will work only when the indicator is on. So priority will be for white only. If I write CR, so it will be there. Priority will be
Okay.
automatically 2 will become here, but it will not come red unless and until you use any indicator.
Okay.
Got it? It's becoming. You tell me if I am paused here. In this one, I don't know any button. It's getting paused or something like that.
Oh, so I need to create a display file similar to that work number PDM, no?
Which one?
Similar to the work number PDM screen. Only I need to make a display file.
First, you make this simple screen,
Okay.
and then you go with that screen.
Okay, fine.
Then I will give you more screens so you can design that one.
Yeah, fine.
If you made that complex screen, no, then it is good.
Okay.
There is overlay concept that you have to find how to overlay during the program. The overlay
Okay.
concept is there.
For display screen also overlay concept is there.
Yes. If you
Yes.
go here and take 8, okay.
Keywords, right? Select keywords.
Yes, so you can select here overlay keyword.
Okay.
If you want to apply overlays, and then you can apply it.
Here actually we need the overlay, right? Because we have 3 records.
Now here we don't need. Here it will work, I think, because these all things are coming. They have a space. We are not overlaying anything on a screen. We are just writing first header, then this one, and then this one. If you want the fourth screen to be displayed here, then that time you need overlay concept, assume and overlay.
Okay.
If I want to pop up here, so F4. So this
Okay.
is also not overlay. Once I want any window pop up here, something like that. So that,
F6. Yeah.
yes. So you design this. So let me know if you find any difficulty. These are only
Okay.
things you need to remember the things. 8 is for finding the keywords that you will be using. Okay.
Okay.
So tomorrow 7:30 we can meet.
Okay. Tomorrow 7:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Hmm.
Can
Okay
you
then.
close and call from yours? And I am that day recording also I didn't find.